That bitch was hard, bro. I love early morning drives, bro. One, because the weather's not too hot. And two, just because it's peaceful and there's not a lot of people on the road. But then you got some dumbass in a Ford Fusion that just wants to, oh, hey, fuck you. Hopefully tomorrow I can get my exhaust stuff work done so this thing can actually sing. Cause bro, it sounds like a fucking vacuum cleaner, bro. Like this is, I mean, it don't sound bad, bro, but it's like absolutely not. This is just not it. Bro, it's bad. It's just bad, bro. Like the little cool like sleeper thing was kind of fun for a while. I don't want that no more. I want some loud shit. There's hella cars that are loud as fuck, but they sound like shit. This way, gang. My problem is, bro, it's like I can't turn. Like every time I make a right turn in this car, bro, I'll be thinking I'm too close to the curb because I can't fucking see shit here, bro. And then over here, bro, I don't know how many people I've almost hit, bro. Like this big ass mirror, bro, you can't see shit, bro. And I was like, one thing before I bought this car, I'm like, nah, I can't be that bad, bro. It's fucking bad, bro. Like this whole area, bro, you can't see. You literally have to move all the way around just to see you over here, bro. So I be like triple checking, making sure there's not a car there, bro. Cause man, bro, I done been in almost like 2-3 accidents, bro. I almost hit somebody here just cause like they was standing right here and I couldn't see them when they was supposed to be, when I was turning right and they was about to walk. Like, yeah, bro, this shit's bad, bro. It's bad. Ooh, GT500! I can't wait to hear what that's gonna sound like with the X-Pipe and other stuff. Too late now. You done ruined my pool. Over there. What the fuck is that? It's funny, bro. I only drive like this in the videos, bro. I don't drive like when I'm just by myself. I don't even go on cruises no more, bro. I don't even go out and drive no more, bro. I go to work, go home. Like, but when I come out and make videos, bro, I start driving like a fucking jackass, bro. But I don't care, honestly, bro. Because it's like, when else am I going to drive like this? Let me reach for $1,000. My little NA Cobra. I won't drag that bit any time of the week. Ooh. Aw. You didn't do a pull. I will, though. I should really learn how to end off videos, not gonna lie, because I'm not really the best at them. Not really the best at ending off videos. Like, starting a video, cool, I don't gotta, I feel like whatever, it's whatever. You're starting a video, it can start wherever the fuck, but ending the video, I feel like you need to end the video.
Promethazine hat, lean hat, codeine hat, kicks in your body, your lean.